Okay, good morning student. Today we take up our next topic, resume. A very significant topic and one or two lecture we have discussed about it. It has been given two or three names, resume, biodata, curriculum vitae. So here we can say the topic bears many names. And in our BA 4th SEM, it covers 15 marks. We can say very significant and important topic. We take up it in your question paper. But before starting it, I tell you something. Resume, it does not mean it is a simple letter. And it is necessary for, we can say, some particular students. It is vital for everyone. After passing graduation, your PG, post graduation, you go to attend an interview. Then nobody will ask you many questions. He will ask you to produce your resume. To produce your resume, that is sufficient. And through your resume, he puts some question before you. He will say, you give us your CV, curriculum vitae, and in it we can say it is a complete biodata of your educational record, educational qualification, your, we can say, service record, a written state record of your, we can say, education as well as your service. It is a must for everyone. Okay, now we start it. For example, in your question paper, you will be given such type of, we can say, format. Write a letter to the principal, Government College Zeen, applying for the post of an assistant professor in English. Also prepare a resume to be enclosed in your letter. We can't say, sir, it is a simple application for the job. It contains resume also. In our 12th and first year we have read letter, simple letter, but in it one part has been added and that is resume. It is included in our letter, but that is, we can say, separate from our letter. Now, such type of, we can say, format will be given to you in your question paper. You are to write according it. First of all, the address, we can say, address which has been given, receive, yeah, then to the principal, Government College Zeen. Now here we don't write subjects, etc. Now we start. You may mention here date also. For example, today you write it. Then we can mention here. Then yeah. Now we are to just start it. This you may mention here, respected sir, this has a reference to your advertisement published last week in the Tribune, sorry dear, in the Tribune for the post of in your esteemed, I offer my services for the above said post. My resume is given below. Sorry dear. Now resume. Now we can say our work starts. Up to now we were writing letter format. Now we have taken a different type of letter, and that is resume. And resume, you are to mention 6 or 7 parts. And here, don't bother about, we can say, grammatical, we can say how to make the sentences. Here you are free to, we can say, make sentences according to your, we can say, choices. Yeah, but here you will mention 7 types one by one. First of all, you are free to give them number, or we can say without number. It totally depends on you how you write it. First of all, we write name, then second, date of birth, third, address, fourth, educational qualifications, then fifth, experience, sixth,